Ini adalah macam ini aja. Ini ya. Tadi kita udah mau ngomong diputar. Tapi 3/4 aja. Kamu sih makan. Aku nih gini dulu. Yo. Yang ini di share juga kan? Partition ini nggak usah kan? Udah beres kan? Ini close aja ya? Ini mas aja nanti kalau butuh. Nanti enggak kita sana ya? Oh iya bisa loh. Pas. Nah bukan pendidikan itu. Oh gitu pak. Yang apa aja bi? Kalau kita ada. Oke. Nggak pakai ini. Kita tahu di situ aja. Siap. Social distancing. Ini mas sudah mulai gambar dulu. Nah, itu udah mentok. Oh, kalau gitu. Begini. Iya di sini. Kamu record aja udah. Tinggal aja nggak? Ya, aku mau kalau mau denger dari sini bisa. Hah? Bisa. Cek. Dari belum? Cek. Mau pengeceknya belum? Kedengeran kan? Oh. Cek.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear participants, thank you for waiting for this closing ceremony. In a moment, the closing ceremony will get started and it will be closed by the head of the Department of Civil Engineering of Faculty of Engineering, UNS. However, before it gets started, I would like to announce an important thing that you must have been waiting for. That is announcing the best presenter. Now, the committee, would you please present the slide? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see on the screen, I'm going to explain you the criteria, how the committee have selected the best presenters for this two-day seminar. The next slide, please. Okay, well, there are three major criteria that the committee has already decided. The first one is the presentation substance or the material. And the second one is based on your presentation media. And the last one is your skill in having presentations. So based on these three major criteria, finally, today, this afternoon, the committee has decided that there are 8 best presenters. Give applause. All right. It has been done through very hard decision, ladies and gentlemen, because all these 8 best presenters have the same scores. Applause once again. All right. Who are they? Now, would you please come to the next slide? The first one is Putu Tantri Kumalasari from the Institute of 10 November, Technology of 10 November or ITS Surabaya. And the second one is Windu Partono from Universitas Diponegoro or Undip Semarang. Number 3, Muhammad Ibnu Samsi from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, UMY. And the fourth one is Dimas Yosi Priambodo from Universitas Indonesia, UI. And the next one is Erwin Lim from Institut Teknologi Bandung, ITB. And next, Heri Sulistiono from Universitas Mataram, UNRAM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Number 7 is Ida A. Nomleni from Universitas 11 Maret, UNS. Okay, and this is the last but not the least. Who is he or she? Fatia Hasakitaningrum from Universitas Indonesia, UI. Okay, I would like to congratulate specifically for University of Indonesia because there are 2 of members winning the best presenters for this today conference. And I would like, of course, congratulate to you all the 8 best presenters for winning you to be the best presenters. All of you, the 8, will get the certificates for having been the best presenters today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to have the closing ceremony. This 2-day conference will be closed by the head of the Department of Civil Engineering of Faculty of Engineering of UNS, Dr. Niken Silmi Suryandari. Now, Ibu Niken, the stage is yours now.
Ladies and gentlemen, finally, we reach the stage of the first International Conference on Rehabilitation and Maintenance in Civil Engineering. Okay, I will. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear ladies and gentlemen, finally, we reached the peak of the 5th International Conference on Rehabilitation and Maintenance in Civil Engineering. On behalf of the Civil Engineering Department, 11 Maret University, allow me to use this opportunity in thanking our keynote and invited speakers whose invaluable insight have nourished our knowledge. We are also grateful to more than 100 presenters and moderators who have participated in the parallel sessions. To the general public, we really appreciate your presence and active participation and addressing questions to our speakers. We do hope that this event serves as a moral booster for all of us to keep on conducting research and exploring state-of-the-art technologies for rehabilitation and maintenance in civil engineering. Hopefully, the experience and knowledge shared will lead to more innovations in our respective areas of specialization. This conference is held once in 3 years, with the Civil Engineering Department 11 Maret University as main organizer. In the future organization of the ICRMCE conference, we have to have more international participants taking part and sharing their experiences in this event. We also wish to maintain a solid and lasting relationship with academicians from several campuses in Indonesia, such as Mataram University, Ponegoro University, Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta University, Jenderal Sudirman University, UPN Veteran East Java, and Jember University. We hope that this cooperation is sustained for the success of future ICRMCE. I would like to thank the sponsors, PT Hutama Karya, PT Adikarya, PT Waskita Karya, PT Wijaya Karya, and PT Wika Rekayasa Konstruksi, and our media partner Sipilpedia for their generous support. We cannot thank them enough. Also, our deepest gratitude goes to the entire organizing committee and reviewers involved in supporting the success of this event. Even though this year's ICRMCE is being held online, we are hoping that the next ICRMCE is being held offline in Lombok Island, where we could have a face-to-face meeting while exploring the beauty of Indonesia. Keep the fire burning and don't stop innovating. See you at the 6th ICRMCE 2024. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Niken. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all the two-day conference of the 5th International Conference on Rehabilitation and Maintenance in Civil Engineering, Advanced Research and Technology for Rehabilitation and Maintenance in Civil Engineering. Hopefully, this program is fruitful to all of us. Thank you for having joined this conference and see you again in the next ICRMCE conference. I'm Yusuf Kurniawan. I do apologize for any inconvenience. Thank you and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I would like to remind, ladies and gentlemen, those participants who are registered as the participants of tomorrow's discussion, I would like to remind you that tomorrow's discussion will start at 10 to 8, but you are required to register first, starting at 7:30 a.m. Thank you.
Setelah 2 semester itu kita melakukan offline dan memang sudah sesuai dari nilainya sudah keluar, artinya performa sangat dia bagus ya. Terus kedua untuk performance membuat proposal ini ya memang hal yang berbeda. Jadi waktu itu memang cukup banyak.
With rehabilitation and maintenance. Rehabilitation and maintenance in civil engineering is as important as planning and designing. Rehabilitation is defined as the effort to regain building and infrastructure's function once defected or weakened, while maintenance is the effort to keep the building and infrastructure working as planned. The Department of Civil Engineering 11 Maret University, in collaboration with the Department of Civil Engineering Mataram University, proudly present to you the 5th International Conference on Rehabilitation and Maintenance in Civil Engineering, Advanced Research and Technology for Rehabilitation and Maintenance in Civil Engineering.
Civil Engineering Department
malam sampai pagi enggak itu.
Kopi
yang paling enak.
In collaboration with other university partners,
kita bayar hotel enggak saya malam tidur
kompor
itu di rumah
gorengan.
Civil Engineering or ICRMC. This conference is initially scheduled to hold offline in Mataram, Nusa Tenggara Barat, Indonesia. However, due to the escalating COVID-19 outbreak and the need for social distancing, we finally decided to shift the conference online. This conference is providing a forum for researchers, academicians, government agencies, consultants, and construction